Welcome to the animals world. Before you start the lessons, you may click on the picture of the animals such as cheetah. There are some smart tips about the animals. If you want to know more about the cheetah, you can click at the link below. There are more smart tips about the cheetah. Welcome to Animals World. Today, we want to discover the beautiful nature and ourselves. You can scroll down and play the 2 audios. If you are ready for the class today, click the Start Now button. Let's go to the About page. In the About page, first you will know the lovely creator, Miss Tan Kai Yi. And then, if you are the Year 3 students, you are the learner today. Next, we go to Theme, Topic, Content Standard, Learning Standard and Learning Outcomes will be learned. You also need to know the skills and competencies will be gained in the lessons. After we know what we will learn, let's go to the lesson page. Scroll down the lesson page. Click the number 1 video and start your first lesson. The lesson will teach you what is herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. After the first video, scroll down and play number 2 video. The video will teach you which animals belongs to herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. Before you continue enjoying the story, scroll down to number 3, and click the Try Now to give your own a small test what you learned just now. Then, continue to number 4, enjoy the story. After finish the story, let's think what you have learned today and what you can do to save the animals. Scroll down to number 5 and play the video, you will know how to save the animals. You need to complete the mission to save the animals. If you manage to save the animals, congratulations. You finished the lesson today. If you want to take some revision in other day, you can click the Next button and go to Highlight page. There are some catch-up to help you deepen the concept in the lesson. Let's go to the end of lesson. If you have any question, just click at the Hope you enjoy the lesson, and tell the creator. If you really enjoy the lesson and want to know more about animals, click the Little Paradise. There are more cool tips about the real-life animals and nature. You can click at the video in the Little Paradise and watch how cool the animals in the real world. That's all for today. Thank you.